Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can teleport to the Forest Island or the Travel Island in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the map first. And this is the Forest Island. And as you can see that there is new bus stop. So we can go to the Forest Island quickly. And if you want to go there, just find the nearest bus stop from you. And now I'm at the central square, so I'm going to use this bus stop. And then we can select the Forest Island bus stop and click on confirm. And it will bring you to the Forest Island immediately. And I think this bus stop is not permanent, guys. It will be available only during the Maltese event. So maybe after this event is over, this bus stop will be gone, but I don't know. I hope that they will give us this bus stop because this is very useful, so we can go to the Forest Island quickly. Okay, and the Maltese event is here. You can find Maltese at the Forest Island during the Maltese event. Okay guys, and that's how we can find that's how we can go to the Forest Island quickly during the Maltese event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.